Coach Misty here from MillionaireMastermindMarketing.com. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit in this video about what you're doing to brand yourself, what you're doing to have people look at you, and then what are they finding when they come to your page or your social media profile. What are they seeing? The first thing that you want to look at is, what does your profile look like? The first thing they're going to look for is your profile picture. Do you have a nice, clear, professional profile picture? I'm not saying that you need to go spend hundreds of dollars on professional, photography. A nice, clear, professional picture you can take with most smartphones these days. Do you have a professional picture of yourself, or is your profile picture, pictures of you and your friends, partying the weekend before? Setting yourself up for success, it all starts with your branding, and it's so very important. It's just going to be the fundamental foundation to your success. The second thing that I want you guys to look at is, on your page, how are you voicing yourself? What are your words actually saying? When you're posting, are you being positive? Are you being uplifting, or are your posts, kind of, crazy? Are you posting crazy stuff, vulgar stuff? Are you posting positive, uplifting things? What I want you to do is, I want you to go to your Facebook profile, or your page. You don't have to have a page. If you do, great. But if not, most network marketing, mine, I do from my profile. I want you to go to your profile. I want you to look at your profile picture, and I want you to ask, would I do business with me? That should always be your default question in anything that you're doing online and on your social media. Then I want you to look at what you're posting, the things that you're posting. Or is it crazy stuff, vulgar stuff, or is it uplifting? Is it inspirational? And I want you to ask yourself, would I do business with me? And be honest with yourself. I've had people asking me over the last few weeks, Coach Misty, why is it so easy, for you to get engagement on your post? Why is it so easy when you promote something, for you to get signups? And I'm not going to say that it's been easy from the start to where I'm at now, because, I've really worked my tail off to get where I am now. But one of the most profound things that I have done consistently over the years to have success and to get where I'm at is, I'm just kind. Be kind. Marketing is not about selling. Believe it or not, network marketing is not about selling anything. Network marketing is about building those relationships, both personal and business relationships. Building relationships where people like you, they get to know you, they trust you. You get that like, no, trust factor going. And one of the biggest ways to do that is simply be kind. It could be as simple as sending them, a happy birthday message, or a happy anniversary message, or leaving kind comments on their post. It's not about us, guys. It is not about us. It is about our audience, and letting them know that you really, truly care about them, what they're doing, their dreams and aspirations. It's going to make it a lot easier when you go in to tell them how you can help them get there. Guys, kindness is free, and I really want you to spread it everywhere. I am really, if you're doing some of these things already, I want you to post on this video how it's working for you. Because, if you're watching what you post, if you're constantly asking yourself, would I do business with this person? If you're keeping your page or your profile professional, I'm sure you're having really good results. So if you're doing these things, drop in the comments and let me know how it's working for you. I'm really super excited. I've got something really, really big launching in the next couple of weeks. Been working really hard around the clock to get this thing going for you guys. And what we are doing is, we are releasing a complete training program where we are going to tell you step by step how to build your brand, how to build the perfect audience for your niche, and how to use your posts to grow your engagement, and how to build that like, know, trust factor with people so you actually have people coming to you asking about your opportunity, and you don't feel like you're having to chase people down or harass people or bug people to even look at your opportunity. We are going to teach you with free traffic and attraction marketing strategies how to have people flooding into you, and maybe you are, into paid traffic. You want to learn how to do paid traffic, paid solo ads, how to build ads and email blasts that convert. Well, we have something for you there too. So this is going to be a complete training for network marketing, no matter what route you want to take. If you want to take organic traffic, free traffic, if you want to use attraction marketing, or if you want to just go straight to pay traffic. We're going to have a little something for everybody, and I am so super excited about this, and cannot, like I said, we'll be releasing it to you guys in a couple of weeks. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to training.millionairemastermindmarketing.com. Once again, that's training.millionairemastermindmarketing.com. Go ahead and get registered, because we are going to be giving away a free training course. So go ahead and get signed up for that so that you're on our list, and then that way when we launch, you'll be one of the first ones to be able to get this training. It's going to blow your mind. Number one, at how simple network and attraction marketing is, how simple it is to do paid traffic and get absolute results. We have a vision for 2020, and we are going to help 5,000 people next year learn to successfully brand themselves, make money online, and totally change the direction of your lives. So I'm super excited, and I hope that you are one of those people. So don't forget, go to training.millionairemastermindmarketing.com and get registered for your free training. And y'all have a good day. Implement these things. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next video.